Hi all, welcome to another video. I thought I'd revisit my Compaq desktop PC from 2005 to reset everything back to as it was when I bought it. That means it's got a single core AMD Athlon CPU in it, so I'll put that back in. I've taken two of the RAM sticks out, so it's just got the 1 gig of RAM in there. And the star of the show is the graphics card. Just get that in frame. Now this is a GeForce 6200 Turbo Cache graphics card. Now I'll need to start this machine up just to remind me what video memory it's got. It's either 32 or 64 meg. Yes, that's meg. I wasn't too up on components, so I never got round to replacing this card in all the 9 years I was using this PC, but it seemed to do the job. So what I'll do is I'll start this up and just to see what I can actually get out of the system. In other words, benchmarking and games. I do recall playing Serious Sam and Doom 3 and Quake 3 on this machine, so I shouldn't think it'll have any problems, but it'll be interesting to see what sort of performance I did actually get on screen, or was I living with something like 20 frames per second or lower. Okay, so that's an introduction, and the next video will be benchmarking and games. Oh, what I plan to do is install Windows XP Service Pack 3. The machine did come with Windows XP Service Pack 2, but I did upgrade to Service Pack 3, and that's the OS I've got available. So it'll be a completely fresh copy of Windows XP with Service Pack 3.